Aurora green, nice and amazing. Today, I'm gonna show you something eye-catching. Zoomlion AC60B. Maybe you have seen the beautiful green, but you haven't noticed his alpha male in harvesting. Many folks ask me why recommending. I would say, this is really something. Cummins engine, 190 HP, good gradability, idle function, or your super saving. Double layer topper, free falling channel, high speed extractor, cam comes clean. Spacious cab, air suspension seat, denser conditioner, how comfortable. Joysticks controlling, 4-style operation, 2 minutes training, 10 minutes perfection. Large screen, multi-function, smart controller, faults, auto-analyzing. Wheel chassis, fast for traveling. Narrow row spacing, chair, fucking easy for him. Hydraulics, precise and high quality. Transmission and action, fluent and steady. So what are you waiting for? Interested? Call us. Bye bye.